So in the presentation that I was doing yesterday, which you can find in my SlideShare account called Living Our Lives on Small Screens, I shared a number of stories about how the way we use our small screens, laptops and mobiles, sometimes, and the internet, sometimes in positive ways and sometimes in not positive ways. What I was trying to do in that presentation was two things. One, try to get kids to empathize, to put themselves in the position of different people who were on the negative side, the receiving end of some bad stuff, and some people who were on the doing end of bad stuff, and talk about how they feel as different things happen. I also wanted to share the creative ways, and you can find all these stories in that slide deck, the creative ways that some people have chosen to respond to what is a really thorny and difficult problem. The different and disquieting ways sometimes that social media and mobile technology is used. So as an outgrowth of this, met with two of the classes today and we had this talk, and watch for this hashtag on Twitter now, 12 Kind Things, the title of this little video. And what we're doing is, for the next 12 days, everyone's going to try to commit one random act of kindness. The presentation ended with a video showing how kind things boomerang back on you. So everybody's going to try to do one random act of kindness for at least the next 12 days. We're going to tag it, hashtag 12 Kind Acts, and share it on Twitter, maybe as a Facebook status update. Some people might Instagram it, put it on Tumblr, whatever. The kids are collecting their 12 things. I'm doing this too. And so is a couple of the teachers in the school. And we're going to make our lists. And when we get back to school in January, because the schools go on break soon, when we get back to school in January, this is spilling over into the break, we're going to compare our lists and see if thinking about one random thing each day, commit one random act of kindness each day, does that have any impact on our little world? Got no idea where this is going to go. I've got to find my one random act of kindness that I got to do today, and I'll log it somehow, and at least on Twitter. And so over to you. If you wanted to try something similar, we're doing it for at least 12 days. Now anecdotally, it takes really 3 weeks to create a habit. So if you want to flip this assignment, instead of 12 days, you might do 21. Keep using the hashtag 12 Kind Acts, but 3 weeks is what would really build a habit out of this. Let's see how far we can go, how far it spreads.